Hi everyone. If you are having internet issues on your mobile phone, like right now I have only 2G network on my phone, don't worry, I'll show you a simple trick. First open Play Store, go to search bar and type 4G LTE and search and install this app called 4G LTE only 4G 5G. This one I have already installed it, so I will just close Play Store and open app. If you have for 5G or 4G phone, you can switch to do that. I have 4G phone, so I will select the 4G option. Now firstly I will go to Android below 11 because my mobile is below 11. Scroll down, set preferred network type and choose LTE only. Now as you can see, my phone is locked to 4G and it won't switch back to 3G or 2G. Just heads up, while this mode is active, you might not be able to make calls or send SMS. So it's best to use when you are playing games or working and don't want any interruption from calls. To turn off this mode, simply go to settings, network and internet, mobile network, now preferred network type and click on 4G recommended. Now your phone is back to normal and you can make calls and send text again. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.